how to select multiple objects in Freeform on Mac. So this will be really quick. I got here my Freeform board, some images, and I want to select more than one object. So if I click here, I can select only one object, and I want to select, for example, two of these. So press on your keyboard Command and also click the second one. So now these two objects or images are selected. If you also or again press Command, you can select another image or object. So I want to add this one. Command on your keyboard and this picture, and now all three are selected. If you got these selected, you can, for example, right click and group them, so you don't have to select one by one each time. So now it's the one grouped image or object. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.